Hello guys, and welcome to the next tutorial. Quick recap: what we did in the previous tutorial, we covered how to create an introduction blog post. So now let's move on, and we're going to cover the class supplemental resources content folder. So if you just click on that, you can see the folder is empty. Now for this, pretty much what we're going to include in the class supplemental resource folder is anything that'll help students out, additional information. So since they have to write 4 papers for advanced composition, I want to include stuff related to MLA, so how to write a paper using MLA format. And we're going to create another content folder called writing resources, so different resources students can get to help them to write their papers. So let's get started. So here we are in the class supplemental resources content folder. As you can see, it's empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a folder within this folder. So this is the content folder, and we're going to go up here to build content. We're going to choose content folder. Alright, now we're going to name this folder MLA formatting. And description, you can write whatever you want for description, but I'm just going to leave it blank. But again, you can explain what's going to be in this folder for your students. So you can say, for example, various resources covering how to write a paper in MLA, for how to format a paper using MLA. So stuff like that. So let's go down, and again, you're going to permit users to view content, track number of views. I leave it no, again, it's up to you. And leave the date and time restrictions open. Click on submit. And there you go. We've got an MLA formatting folder. Now let's create another folder. Go to build content again. Choose content folder. And we're going to call this folder writing resources. And again, for description, you can write whatever you want. So you can put, for example, these are various resources to help you write your papers, or whatever you want to type. But for this tutorial, we're just going to leave it blank. Scroll down again, same thing as we covered in the previous folder. Go down, click on submit. And there we go. We've got 2 folders. So we've got 2 content folders within the main content folder. In other words, we've got the content folders MLA formatting and writing resources inside the main content folder class supplemental resources. Now let's start putting stuff into these folders. First, let's start with MLA formatting. We're going to double click on that, so open up that content folder. Alright, as you can see, the folder is empty, so we're going to start adding stuff now. Alright, so here we are. We're going to start putting stuff into this content folder. Now I've got a bunch of documents that I will include on the website for you guys to use if you want. So let's start plugging stuff in. So first we're going to go to build content, and we're going to create an item. Alright, so I'm going to name this MLA light handout. Alright, and then we're going to leave the description blank. Again, you can fill in whatever you want here. If you want to describe what this attachment is, you can. It's your own preference. But for this tutorial, we're going to just leave it blank. I'm going to go down. Okay, we're going to attach a file. So to browse my computer, I got all these files saved on my desktop in a folder called Blackboard Files. And I'm going to find that, and there it is, MLA Light for research papers. Click on Open, and there it is, attached right there. We're going to scroll down, and again, permit users to view content, yes. Track number of views, again, is your preference. I usually just leave it at no. And I recommend leaving the date and time restrictions open, because you always want them to be able to view these supplemental resources. Go down, click on Submit, and voila, there we go. So we've got MLA Light handout, the name, and then we've got the attached folders right here. Now I'm going to add a bunch of content here, so throughout this portion of the tutorial in this folder, I'm not going to be talking much. I'm just going to be adding files. I just want you to watch and kind of start to get comfortable with adding items inside the MLA format. So we're going to add another one. I'm going to go to item again. I'm going to call this one sample first page of essay, and do MLA header. Again, I'm going to leave a description blank, but you can put whatever you want in the text editor box. Go down, I'm going to browse, and I've got this saved, so we're going to go sample first page of paper right there. Open. It's been attached. And this part, the same as before. Click on submit. And there we go. Got the second one, so I'm going to add another one now. Okay, now I'm going to call this one creating last name and page number, header, and word. And again, leave this blank, or if you want, you can put whatever you want in the text editor box. Go down, browse, and I've got this saved on my desktop, right there. Okay, so I've got the name, and alright, now go down, click on submit. Alright, there we go there. Now let's create another one. Item again. And I'm going to call this one MLA parenthetical citations. Leave this blank, or if you want, you can put whatever you want in here again. I'm going to browse. And I've got that right there. Open. It's attached. Go down, and again, leave this part the same way it is. Click on submit. Voila! There's another one. Let's do another one now. Item. Now for this one, we're going to add 2 documents. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. We'll call this one Works Cited Page. And browse my computer. I'm going to do the sample Works Cited. Attach. And we're going to attach another one. We're going to do the sample Works Cited page smoke signals. See, we got 2 attachments now. Go down, and again, this part's the same as before. Click on submit. Let's go down. There we go. See, we got 2 attachments now. Alright, so that's it for MLA formatting. So I'm going to also include all these documents on the web page so you guys can use these if you like. But as part of your activities and tasks, you're going to have to do exactly what I did here. So you're going to need these documents. Now, let's go back to the main folder. So click on Class Supplemental Resources. And we're going to start adding stuff to the Writing Resources content folder. So click on that. Now in this folder, instead of attaching documents, we're going to just include links, web links. So this will be a good exercise to show you guys how to add web links inside Blackboard. So what we're going to do, I'm going to build content, and we're going to click on web link. Alright, so there it is, create a web link. Now, again, I'm going to include a document with all these web links on the website for you guys to use as well. So let's do the first one. And we're going to call this one Academic Diction Handout by Walden University. Okay. And then the link, I have all these again in a Word document. Let me open this. So I'm just going to copy this link right here. Copy. And just enter that URL right there. Let's go down. And again, you can write a little description about what kind of resource this is and what the students will get out of this by viewing this link. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it blank. Scroll down. Attachments, we're not going to have any attachments. And again, you're going to permit users to view content, yes. Open a new window. Let's leave that at no. Let's have it open within Blackboard. Track number of views, no. And again, I would recommend leaving the date and time restrictions open because students do need to view this whenever. Click on submit. And there you go. So when they click on this, it'll just take them right to the link and it'll open up within Blackboard. So let's do another one. Again, build content, web link. Alright, we're going to call this one Purdue Online Writing Lab. Okay, and the link, like I said, I have this in a Word document right there. I'm just going to highlight that, copy, and paste it there. And leave this part unchecked. The link is a tool provider, it's not, so don't worry about that. Go down, again, you can put whatever you want in the description. We're not going to attach anything, this part's the same, and again, you want to change this where it says open a new window, click on no, click on submit. There we go, we got another one. So let's do another one here. Web link again. Okay, and this one is going to be the link to the U of A, University of Arkansas Quality Writing Center. We've got U of A Quality Writing Center. Okay, I've got the link there. This is a link to their main website. And they can find a bunch of resources here. They can make appointments to talk to someone to help them out with their writing, whatever. So the Writing Center offers a lot of help to students. We're going to paste that link right there. Go down. Again, open a new window. No. Leave all this the same and click on submit. Alright, there's that one. Now let's add another one here. Web link again. And this one's going to be a direct link to all the Quality Writing Center's handouts. So we're going to name this one again U of A Quality Writing Center Handouts. And we're going to copy this link I have in this Word document. Again, this will take them right to all the handouts that the Quality Writing Center offers. I'm going to paste that link right there. Go down, and again, leave this blank, or if you want, you can add a description. Again, it's your preference. And we're not going to attach anything. We're just going to change open a new window. We're going to change that to no. Leave everything else the same. Click on submit. And there we go. So we're going to add two more here. Once again, web link. And we're going to do the Dartmouth on college writing. So Dartmouth on college writing. And I got the link here in this Word document. I'm going to copy that. Paste it there. And then go down. And then change, open a new window to no. Click on submit. And there we go. So let's do one more. It's the last one. Web link again. Okay, we're going to call this one Selecting and Refining Research Topics. Selecting and Refining Research Topics. I've got the link here in the Word document. It's right there. I'm going to copy. Paste it there. Let's go down and open a new window. We're going to click no. Go down and submit. And that's it, guys. Now let's take a look and see what this looks like on the student end. Let me open up that other page I got. And we're going to go home. Alright. Oh, I want to tell you guys, if you noticed before how the supplemental resources and the course assignments, class assignments are listed here, that's because there's nothing in the content folders. So once you put stuff in those content folders, they'll show up. And it's the same when you click on the edit mode. When you click it off, you will not see anything here because there's nothing in those folders. So now that we've added stuff in the class supplemental resources folder, you'll see it shows up here. So let's just click on that. Again, this is the student view. And there you go. We got MLA formatting. Let's check that out. That's it. These are all the files we attach. So let's just open one. So student will click on this one, for example, PDF. And that's it. See? It'll download. Let's try another one. Let's try this docx file. This will open up so they can open or save it. So that's it. Now let's go back and let's look at the writing resources folder. Let's test out some of the links. So as a student, I'm going to click on, okay, writing resources. And let's check out the, let's see, U of A Quality Writing Center. Double click on that. And it'll open up within Blackboard. And there it is. There's the Quality Writing Center. Let's go back. Let's try another one out. Let's try the Selecting and Refining Research Topics. Double click on that and it should take you right to the website. And again, it's going to open up within Blackboard. And there you go. Let's go back. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. You guys are doing great. We're almost to the end. So the next thing is going to be class assignments. That's going to be the big one. But that's it. So now go ahead and complete the tasks and assignments. And after you complete that, you're ready to move on to how to actually add stuff to your class assignments content folder. Guys, you're doing a great job.